very old road, Heywood. We've got a Pro-combi boiler which keeps cutting out due to circulation problems. So I think the engineers, Vocera engineers, and they've actually said the system needs a power flush. Okay, so we've hooked in through the main flow and return. We're going to flush the boiler separately. Very rainy day here today, very wet day. We'll go outside. I think it's just stopped raining, to be honest. So here's the system. The water is fairly black and sludgy. We'll just show you what's coming out of it. The dump hose. Bear with me. There, that's what's coming out of the system. Rust, iron oxide, sludge, etc. Okay, if you don't know what a power flush is, we'll quickly explain. Just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, your boiler, your pipework, your radiators, etc. Just getting it all nice and clean. After the power flush, you should be able to turn your boiler down, save on gas, fuel, energy bills, etc. Your boiler should run quieter, and generally you should just be able to prolong the life of your central heating system. We're fully gas safe registered. We cover the whole of the northwest UK area. If you need any boilers fitted, supplied and fitted, we can do that as well. We will always power flush your system. We'll insist on power flushing the system. Basically, it's just not worth having a new boiler fitted without power flushing your central heating system. Likewise, if you've got an old system that's you know, just grinding to a halt, and you think it's got blockages, sludge and rust, etc., just get us to power flush it. We should be able to revive your system. You know, if you're not wanting to fork out for a new boiler, etc., you know, it could actually save you thousands of pounds. But just do not get a new boiler fitted without getting it power flushed. If you've had a boiler fitted within a few recent years and you're not sure whether it's been power flushed properly, just give us a call. We cover the whole of the northwest UK area. We get out as far as Southport, we go down to Stafford as well. We're based in Bramall and Stockport in Manchester. The job is fully certificated. You know, if you're a British Gas or home serve customer, etc., we could save you a lot of money, up to 50% cheaper than British Gas, to be honest. And the job is done 100% properly. We actually believe we're one of the best power flush companies in the country. We've just done too many power flushes to not know what we're doing. We only use the best equipment, Camco, pumps and chemicals and magnets, etc. And after the power flush, the system is treated with Sentinel X100 inhibitor, just to prevent you know, further corrosion build up. Okay, so the job's going all right, and we're getting a good flow through the system. You know, it is a rainy sort of day today, so we're sort of talking quite quickly, but it is worth watching the video if you are considering a power flush. And we'll just get back to you later on. Okay, thank you, bye. Right, there's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job in Heywood. We're going to take a look at the magnet now. We'll just put it on bypass, see what's coming out of the system. Wow, they are. Look at all that metal, sludge and rust, etc. You know, that's what the aim of the power flushing is all about. Try to get all that rust, sludge and metal out of the system. After this is removed, your boiler should run quieter. You'll be able to turn your gas, water, gas down. You'll save on fuel and energy bills, and basically your system should just run better. If you imagine that running through your pump, your diverter valve, your little heat exchanger, etc., eventually it's just going to wreck it, and that's what power flushing is all about. We'll talk a little bit more later. We're going to dump this water now. We're going to heat the water up with the element, just so the chemical works a little bit better, and we'll get back to you later on. Okay, thanks. Hi Barry, there's Pro-powerflushing, just back to this job in Heywood. Okay, we're flushing the boiler separately. We flushed it before from the flow and return pipes here, and we had a restriction on the correct way, but the other way, when we were going against the flow, it would flow through the boiler. So what we've done, we've hooked into the actual main heat exchanger here, and we've got a good flow through the main heat exchanger. So if there is a problem, it's going to be in this these areas here, just behind the fascia, in the plastic pump housing, etc. So we're just going to get on with the job, and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, there's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, that's this job done now in Heywood. It was a bit of a nightmare, but the job is a complete success. All the radiators heating up really nicely. The boiler's running nice, it's not cycling anymore like when we first arrived. It's actually running as it should. The return pipe's getting nice and hot, you know, so it's a complete success. So if you need any power flushing done in the northwest UK area, just give me a call on these telephone numbers here. The mobile number is best to get me on, or any boilers fitted. Telephone number is 07836 353 985. Okay, thanks.